Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges of our time, and AI is playing a significant role in addressing and mitigating its impact. AI-powered solutions are being utilized across various domains to enhance climate change research, enable sustainable practices, and support decision-making processes. One area where AI is making a difference is in climate modeling and prediction. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of climate data, including temperature records, precipitation patterns, and atmospheric conditions, to generate accurate climate models and make predictions about future climate scenarios. These models help scientists and policymakers understand the complexities of climate change, identify potential risks, and develop strategies to mitigate its effects. AI is also being used to optimize energy consumption and promote renewable energy sources. Smart grid systems, powered by AI algorithms, can analyze energy usage patterns, predict demand, and optimize energy distribution to reduce waste and increase efficiency. AI is also being employed to optimize the placement and operation of renewable energy sources such as wind farms and solar panels, maximizing their output and integration into the existing energy infrastructure. In agriculture, AI is improving sustainable practices and increasing food production. AI algorithms analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop data to provide farmers with real-time insights and recommendations for optimal irrigation, pest control, and crop management. This helps reduce water usage, minimize the use of chemicals, and increase crop yields, contributing to sustainable agriculture and food security. AI is also assisting in monitoring and managing natural resources. Remote sensing technologies, coupled with AI algorithms, can analyze satellite imagery and sensor data to track deforestation, monitor biodiversity, and detect environmental changes in real time. This information enables early intervention and better management of ecosystems, protecting vital habitats and biodiversity. Furthermore, AI is being utilized in climate adaptation and disaster management. AI-powered systems can analyze data from various sources, including sensors, satellites, and social media, to provide early warnings for natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. This allows for timely evacuation and better resource allocation for response and recovery efforts. Ethical considerations are crucial in the use of AI for climate change solutions. Transparency, fairness, and accountability must be upheld to ensure that AI systems are used in the best interest of the environment and all stakeholders. Additionally, data privacy and security measures must be implemented to protect sensitive climate data. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into specific AI applications in addressing climate change, such as carbon footprint tracking, climate finance optimization, and smart city solutions. Join us as we explore how AI can contribute to a more sustainable future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.